What is going on, everybody? We are back at it again into the close after hours live stream. The afternoons always seem to go a little bit better than the mornings, but today, are we going to bounce off this $52.5 level of support? I hope that we do, and I hope we trend higher from here, because that's exactly where we're at. I thought we were going to trend sideways throughout lunchtime, but no, we fell down a little bit, and okay, we do have a nice green candle coming in there. Hopefully that thing holds out. And we got it. John Smith, what's going on? John Smith or Weeble will vote for you. Yes, Boris, make sure to get your vote out there. Still, the short ladder attack, while they still can, hang tight, squeezes just around the corner. WTF is happening today. Man, Minjo, nah. Getting a little bit of downward pressure there, aren't we? Whole portfolio is AMC. Boris is all in. Gutter guys, what's going on? Gutter guys, how are you doing? Love listening and watching. Just gets monotonous sometimes with reading off comments. Yeah, it might. Okay, well, you got your comment read off there. The cards are stacked against them hedge funds. And Jiu-Jitsu boy, we are the cards. If we hold, we win. Started transferring from Robinhood yesterday. Marty Scott, you're going to be fine, man. It's going to take a couple days, and you're going to be going good. After the holidays, save up for the end of day tomorrow. Yes, no worries. Not a pretty graph, ClayBro. Crypto Rocketeer, man. I know. We left for break, and I probably shouldn't have left to take a lunch break because look what happened. Oh my goodness. What a terrible afternoon. It looks bad, guys. It looks bad. But honestly, it's $56 to $52. It's not horrible. Not great by any means, but not horrible. We can withstand this. 52. If you didn't know by now, 52 is a level of support. We've bounced off of it plenty of times. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, again. So hopefully we hold on to this $52 level, or we might be coming back down here to, I don't want to say it, 42? Hopefully not. 52 is going to hold up, so we're going to be doing pretty well. And yeah, we got a little bounce off of it already. Guys, this is technical analysis right here. This is what these swing traders and these day traders are doing. They know this 52.50 level is significant. It hits it, they buy it. They buy it, it goes up. Very simple, and that's what we got going on right now. It's gorgeous. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. And this is a beautiful technical analysis pattern bouncing off that level of support just as we wish it would. Clay, should we be concerned? Eric, I'm not concerned. You shouldn't be concerned. Transfer Robinhood to Fidelity. Very nice, John Smith. Lisa in the house. What's going on, Lisa? Hey, good day. Added some 52s today. Nice, Mark. Nice. To me, this isn't consolidation. This is something else. Peace, love, and dogs. What is it? If it's not consolidation, if it's not channeling, what would it be considered? Newbies, don't worry, guys. Just hold. Jiu-Jitsu boy, yes. The name of the game is to hold the stock, and that is exactly what we are doing. Happy afternoon, bro. Gordon Nash, happy afternoon to you. Glad you're in here. Hey, bros, Nick F is in the house. 52 to 54. Hold tomorrow, possibly sub 50. That's my call. Let's see what happens, man. If we bust down through 52, that would be my call as well, but we got to watch it. Not gonna lie, this week has been disappointing, but still holding. Peace, love, and dogs, all good, man. Green, let's go. All right, very nice with the chat there. Nick F, buddy, hey, how's your day, man? Nick F's got some busy days going on right now. I don't know what he's got going on over there, but he stays up all night, works all day, works all night, almost back home. Nick F, good. If anybody caught Nick F while he was out, you guys win a bonus stock. Did anybody catch Nick F while he was out? He's like a little leprechaun. Hello, Clay, how you been? Rodrigo, I've been great. Rocket, good. Yours? Right, hopefully your day's going good, man, because mine's going good. We are in a 14 days of this consolidation channel. Bull flag looking beautiful. Mark, absolutely. The bull flag does look beautiful, guys. We may be testing the downward side of it a little bit. I was looking at that earlier. You know, you got the bull flag right here. Look, I can give you a big old flagpole. I know everybody likes big flagpoles, right? Yep, they do. Big old flagpole. If you've ever seen a bull flag like that one, there you go. We get support here. We might bounce back into the pennant there and move on. But yes. Alex Medina. Sorry if I hacked the name up. Thank you very much for the super chat. Don't know what is the fuzz if it drops to 40. They still have to cover. Nobody sells. Wake me up when it goes to $500 or more. Still not selling. Alex, man. Wake me up when September ends, and I will wake you up when we hit $500 plus per share. Sounds like a plan to me, man. Hopefully it sounds like a plan to you. And, yeah. I really don't know what the fuss is about, guys. I really don't know. Because if you hold the stock, if you're planning on holding for the short squeeze, what does the intermittent price swings have to do with anything? You just told. Emily PS1, nice to see you as well. What do you think the stock will go? Do you think we'll go to 100K or higher? I don't know. 100K is going to be very, 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 very difficult to see. But anything's possible, right? That's the whole point of writing a blank check. You can write any number you want on there, but you gotta make sure that you get out before the other guys do. All the good news regarding rules and regulations set people up for higher expectations. There's danger in hyping up what may happen. Peace to everyone. Absolutely, peace, love, and dogs. And there's a lot of people out there that really like to hype things up, aren't there? Nigga, dude, best day I've had in a long time. You work that much? What are you, an investment banker? Nick, what are you doing working so much, man? They got you working all day long. Now, Clay, tell me, green, let's go. I don't know about that. Only if they're green. Yes, Jiu-Jitsu boy. What's up, bros? Miguel Ortiz, how are you doing? Everybody, hodl. That is my plan. That is your plan. That's what we are doing. AMC on downfall. Rodrigo, no. AMC retesting levels of support. That's all. Rocket. Do they work till 4 a.m.? Rocket might know. It's not the kind of green day we're looking for. Wake me up when September ends. Yeah, that's the kind of green day I'm looking for. But if you guys want some green days on AMC, we can get those as well. They are covering here soon. Emily POS 1, they have to cover at some point. Let's get to 72s, then 80s. Once we're there, we are off to the races. Mark, I'm with you, man. Hedgies can't take it from us unless you sell. Dude, 100%. Formed diamonds are formed under pressure. Hands down, Clothing Co. What is going on, hands down? Where is Chipro? Aunt Megan, I may open the door here pretty soon, but it is raining. So I'd have to set up the camera. It's raining pretty hard right now, and I didn't want to keep the door open and let everything come in there. Nigga, I have best friend's older brother is out of Chicago. The guy makes ridiculous money, but his work life is awful. 18 hours a day. Seems like you get Nick working 18 hours a day these days, man. I don't like it, Nick. You probably don't like it, man. But money is there, right? What's good, AMC gang? Everything, Luca. What is good with you, man? Glad you're having a good day. Hope tomorrow is even better. Oh, look at Nick with the positivity. I like it. What do you do except for tomorrow? What do you expect for tomorrow, Clay? Aunt Megan. I always expect good news, positive news. I want AMC to go up. But we need to bounce off this level of $52 first before we get too overexcited. Reversal incoming power hour. Let's hit it, JT. We bounced off that $52 level of support, and now we need to watch this thing rise into the after hours. Sounds like it's terrible. It's not typical for me. Yes, it is not typical that Nick works until 5 o'clock in the morning and then goes back to work at 6 o'clock in the morning. Come on now. Appreciate that, buddy. Oh, yes. I appreciate it too. When Nick F is positive, everybody should be positive. Apes don't know what sell means. The Cuban Handyman's channel, the apes do not know what sell means. That is a good thing, but everybody else does know what sell means. We got to teach them. Lisa, what is going on? We went the last full minute of closing race voice, just calling it early. Lisa, you're going to have to remind me because I might lose track of time. If it drops to 40, I'll buy more. Peace, love, and dogs, man. That's the attitude that everybody needs to have. If it drops to 40, we buy more. It is a discount. If it drops to 30, we buy more. If it drops to 20, we buy more. If Mr. Greenfield, or whatever his name was correct, guess what we do? We buy more at a penny. That's what we do. Checking in, hello fellow apes. Vincent, Otis, what is going on? Otis, how are you doing? Vincent, ClayBro, you get that DM? Yeah, actually I did. I was over at my mom's house and I was just driving home prior to opening the live stream back up, so I didn't get to look at it yet, but I did see the DM that you sent me over there, and I'm going to have to check it out after the stream. Open for $10 tomorrow so we could buy more, buy a rip back up to 70 next week. That's what the founders would have wanted. I'm telling you, man, if you think the $10 to $70 is impossible, just remember, $12 right here to $70 in one little week. Oh yeah, 12 to 70. This right here is possible, and it is possible again. So please, stop worrying about $50. So it's gonna be okay. Chance of FTFi not getting approved. Justin, what if it is approved? What's that gonna do for us if it's approved? I want to know. Hedgies are shorting us, yet we are still winning. Emily POS, we absolutely are. Don't stress about the price drops. Just think of it as a sale. Everybody loves the sale. Yes, Lisa, I love a sale. I know they love a sale, and we are going to take advantage of the sale. If I was over at my mom's house and saw Rocket's car, Dad? Dad? Is that you, Dad? Maybe? Brett, no worries there. If you're over at your mom's house and you see Rocket's car, hey, Dad. Tisik, yeah, all right, man. That's an interesting comment you got there. Boris Roth, it was so good. Buying more end of day Friday. Gotcha there, Boris. Now I see the chat up there. No shills here. Absolutely not. If it drops below $30, people will freak the F out and sell. Peace, love, and dogs, they probably will. But guess what, man? Guess what? If the hedge funds aren't covering at $30, the people who are willing to buy more at $30 will be the ones who, in the end, succeed. Guys, I'm to the point where I don't care if all of these FOMO buyers make out and make $1 million. I want everybody who is in this thing to profit. Not these people who jump on late or not these people who are scared. You know, it's their money. It's their decision. If they want to sell, they sell. They miss out. I'm okay with that. You got to be okay with them missing out. Hands down, click and go, bro, did you see the Robin the Hood is going public? Should we short them? Yeah, I saw that they were going public a while ago, but I don't know when the IPO date is. If you know when the IPO date is, let me know. But nah, dude, let's not short them. Come on. Yeah, you can buy some puts if you want. Clay, I love that you're very humble, man, even though I act like a clown in here. Tisk tick, it's all good, man. And sorry if I messed your name up a little bit, but dude, I read the comments. I might not answer all of the comments when you say some of the stuff you do, but I am reading them. It drops the 30 line of credit for more. Nice, Boris. He's going to be stacking up if it drops back down. That's the kind of people we need buying AMC. We don't need these people who are going to freak out if it drops a little bit. That makes you different, Clay. Shruti! Glad to have you in here, Shruti. Always a pleasure when you're in here. I knew you meant Clay, not Callie. I bought more, baby. Nice, Tom. Nice. When Vegas, Daniel? Do we have to wait for the squeeze for Vegas? Let me know what you guys think. Rocket, maybe you can take me fishing for dips. Let's do it. I want to fish. I want some fish and dips. You've heard of fish and chips, right? I want the fish and dips. If the hedgies cover tomorrow, what would happen? Miguel, the price would go up. If hedgies cover tomorrow, the price would go up. And look, I still think this is good news. You guys might disagree, but volume, 50 million. We are trending lower on the volume scale. We're getting back to those days when we were trading at 30 million shares, 20 million shares. I want to see 5 million shares, 1 million shares being traded. Always in the green now, bought in low. Lisa, that is why we do not stress. Also, ready for Vegas. Aunt Megan is ready for Vegas. You guys believe that I've never been to Las Vegas in my entire life? I wouldn't even know what to do. I've never been there my whole life. Freaked out, almost missed the dip. Tom! Glad you held your composure and you were able to get in on the dip. Able to get in on the dip. First round's on me. Nice. Daniel's calling first rounds for Megan on him. Very good. We are now almost 54. Yeah, everybody was worried about 52.50 a minute ago. We're almost at 54 right now. Looking good. Looking good. Reversal into the after hours, into the close. I like it. I don't gamble, but I do love Vegas. Mark, never been there. Anybody else in here actually gamble? I would probably be terrible at that. I'd probably be like, all right, just put it all in on red right now. Let's just go. I want to see this thing hit first time. If we lose, we go back to the hot tub and have a good evening. If I found out AMC has something to do with those bonds, I would have forced AMC on the real. Don't mess with this apes. AMC, don't screw the hand that feeds you. Yoli, where? If AMC has got something to do with what bonds? Clearly they have something to do with the bonds. They sold them. But in the high 52s, the corruption is real, my fellow apes. Ferrari boy, glad to have you in here. Nice job. You first bought in the high 52s, or you bought more of the high 52s? If you don't party or gamble, there isn't much in Vegas. Probably got good food. I don't know. Do they have good food there? Restaurants might be nice. I don't party or gamble, so do they have good restaurants? I fear Los Angeles would like to. I fear LA, but would like to visit Vegas. Shruti. Interesting. Fears Los Angeles. My profit and loss has stayed green ever since I bought my shares. Me too. My P&L has been green ever since I bought my shares. Honestly, I think that I really don't think that it's ever dipped. I really don't think it's ever dipped since I got in. Like, since the first time I got in. Good shows. Oh, yeah, they would have good shows, Jiu-Jitsu Boy. Yeah, I imagine they got a lot of that. And then, good. Anybody know if they get good food? 10 out of 10 food. Aunt Megan. Yes! Then I can go. Never been to Vegas, but just going to sit in the Cirque du Soleil theater until they pick me. Brett, that is a good plan, man. I'm with you on that. You and I can go sit there until they pick us, dude. Let's go. I'm with you. 54, let's shoot for at least a 58 close. Andrew, I like the way you think, man. Going all the way to 58 at the close. If we can get that sort of reversal into the close, I'm on it, man. I'm on it. We got to go. It would have to be quite a rise. That'd have to be quite. Let's see. Andrew's hoping for 58. Andrew's hoping for 58. Anybody else hoping for a certain close? 58 right there. I think we might. This is like what I think might be the best place we can close at today. Right here at the bottom of this pennant. Anybody else want to get their predictions out there? We can throw some lines up on the chart. Vegas has amazing food. Nice. Is Britney Spears chained to a stage in Vegas? Brett, I'm pretty sure she is. I saw a headline the other day about that, but I didn't read the actual article. 69 close today. Xavier, maybe not today, man, but definitely one day. Billie Jean is not Ben Bernanke. No, he is not. Hoping we jump back to 57, drop back down then again, so the chart is a big middle finger to the hedgies. I like it, Brett. I'm in. Let's jump to 57, then back down a little bit. 1 million, no less. Baby Jesus is on it. 59.60. All right, 59.60 is a pretty nice one, Simon. Closing green would be great. We got to get above 56 something. Not scared, no dips. Welcome that stuff. Yes, Courtney, we welcome those dips. This thing is making such a nice comeback. It absolutely is, Paul. It's because I got back online, man. They knew I got back online, so they decided to go up. Hoping for the stock overall not to dip below 41 in the next week or two. 41 will be a pretty big dip, American. I think we might be safe, but if we do bust down below 52, we got to watch out for the 40s. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to warn you now. Hoorah! Green, let's go. Absolutely. If we make 58, that would be awesome. Yes, it certainly would. Paul says LFG. More than happy above 54, but it really doesn't matter. The fact we're in 50s is crazy. Anthony, it certainly is, my friend. Any crypto coins, Clay? Currently Zcash and Ravencoin. Keep fighting. I didn't hear no bell. Absolutely. I didn't hear no bell either, man. We're going to keep this thing going all the way to the close. I think 56 is more of a real target. Monday is looking very bullish. Tuesday, Ferrari boy. Monday is going to be closed for the 4th of July. Tuesday we will be open. Bonds, baby, bonds. Corner store. I want my bonds. I want my bonds. Thanks, hedge funds. I bought 20 more shares today at a discounted price of 54. Good deal, man. 20 more shares at 54. I like it. Pretty much always walk away with money coming back from Vegas, but I don't bet enough for it to be material. A few $100. Aunt Megan is a gambler, and she knows what she's doing. I'm following Aunt. If we go to Vegas, I'm following Aunt Megan around. I'm going to play what she plays and make some money with her. Thanks. Got to go back to modding and catch after the bell. American Virtual, thank you very much for stopping in here. Go mod Galactic Finances channel. And make sure, dude, I'm not being like weird or anything. Just tell those guys that we stay on for an hour after the bell if they want to come hang out. That's no disrespect to Galactic. I'll tell everybody in here to go check out Galactic's channel if they want a different opinion on some stuff and see some different things out there. Dude, I have no problem giving anybody a shout out on here. That's what this whole thing is, man. It's not just me. It's not just you. Like, dude, there's 500 people in Galactic Finances channel that maybe never heard my name. So let's bring them in here, and then you guys can go hang out with him and check his channel out as well. Sean says, hey, Clay, what do you think about the Robinhood? Should I switch? Sean, man, here's the deal. If you don't want to switch, I would promote Weeble, right? I use Weeble. I like Weeble. I've never had a problem with Weeble. I don't have a problem with Robinhood either. They've done some sketchy stuff in the past. Will they do it in the future? I don't know. If they think this $70 million fine is worth it, then they probably will. But all of July, if you want to test out a Weeble account, man, if you use the link in the description below, it's got to be, it doesn't have to be my link, but it certainly has to be an influencer's link. But if you use the link in the description below, you can get $11. You get 2 stocks. One's worth at least 3. The other one's worth at least 8. And all you got to do is deposit $5 all of July. So if you want to test Weeble out and then decide if you want to move over, if you don't have an account yet, It's just $5, man, if you use the link down there. ClayBro, do the hedgies borrow more shares to short today? Yeah, somebody was giving us the numbers. It was 1 million this morning that they'd borrowed this morning, and then like 700,000 that they had returned. So, yeah, they're constantly borrowing stocks. Now, I don't know if they're shorting those, but they're definitely borrowing them. Even if you lose a small amount on me, it's worth the entertainment. I would agree with that. It would have to be fun, Aunt Megan, and I am with you. Love your channel. I bought more AMC on the dip. Patty, thank you very much. I appreciate the fact that you love the channel and that you're buying AMC and we're watching it go up. Green, when you get deleted, man, I use eToro since the, no, E-Trade, E-Turd, but he's saying, but E-Trade since the 1990s, but I have Robinhood for a screw-around account, LOL, sad to say. Mark, man, open a Weeble account, deposit $5, get another screw-around account if you want. It's cool. Dude, you open a $5 account and you're going to get $11 worth of free stocks. You double your money right away. I say go for it. Johnny Diggs with the diamond hands. Shout out to all the apes that are holding. Shout out to you, Johnny Diggs. How are you doing, man? Just got a Weeble, but should I move all my shares over, or is it best to have two? Dude, that's up to you. I don't have a problem with people diversifying brokerage accounts. I have no, like, hesitation using Weeble. So, I've got all my stuff in Weeble right now. If you don't want to have your stuff in Weeble, then, you know, you can keep 2 or 3 brokerage accounts. All good on that one. System is so corrupted. Yes, Jiu-Jitsu boy Cookie is here. ClayBro's channel and his heart. Clay Bay, Cookie Bay, what is going on? How is your afternoon going? Hopefully very well. Oh, man. Love it when Cookie comes in here. Sold at 54.13 and bought back in at 52.14. Connor, be careful with day trading now. Be careful day trading AMC. I have E-Trade, sadly, Robinhood for crypto, but finally downloaded Weeble today. Brett, man, make sure. I don't know. Did you use my link now, Brett? Now, look, if you don't use my link, if you're gonna deposit $100 and your friends got Weeble, use your friend's account. I'm totally cool with that. But if you want to just deposit $5, make sure to use the link in the description below, and then you can still get the stocks if you use that link down there. I have 3 brokers, and one of them is Weeble. Nice, Mr. Perry. Very nice. Try Binance for crypto. Yes, Brett, you can try Binance. There's also a link in the description below for Binance if you want to use that one. Clay, how can I stop Robinhood from lending my shares out? Let me know, bro, man. I don't have Robinhood. If anybody knows specifically how to stop it in Robinhood, there might be an off button, but if you've got a margin account, they might just lend them out anyway. If you get a cash account, that's the best way to stop any broker from lending them out. Connor, you already done your mitten. I don't know what Connor is doing up there. Oh, Connor might be the one that was day trading AMC. Yes, Aunt Megan, but Weeble will also let you trade right away, excluding crypto, just like Robinhood. You got to have your settled funds if you want to trade crypto. But then you can day trade crypto all you want. You don't have to wait for crypto to settle once your funds are set. Like if you're buying it with settled funds, you don't have to wait for that stuff to settle at all. Clay, can you buy over-the-counter stocks on Weeble? No, Mark. There's a lot of stocks that you cannot buy on Weeble. You got to use an account like Fidelity. I know Fidelity's pretty good with that. E-Trade is also pretty good with that. I might wait until the market crashed to reinvest my AMC gains back in the stock market. Xavier, I don't know how long you'd have to wait for that, man, but hey, if AMC actually goes to the moon, you might watch some other stocks fall. So, 26, I heard AMC is going to $5,000 a share next week. I heard insider information. There's confirmed 3 billion synthetic shares. Oh, nice. Statistics. Hopefully that turns out to be true. It's good. So it's going so good. Busy day for sure, but always excited to see you and ClayBro. So where that cam at? Cookie. I might have to turn it on in a minute here. It's raining outside right now. So I got the door shut, and I can turn the camera on in a minute if it's messing around. If it's not messing around anymore with the rain, but he was eating some sunflower seeds. I don't know, probably. What time is it now? 40 minutes ago. Ford is a sleeping giant, aluminum body, electric F-150, smart CEO, future is bright. Just look at GM's price. That's where we are headed. Little Fish is on the Ford game. What's up? Hands down. AMC Trevor in the house. What's going on, man? AMC Trevor, 1 minute chart for Power Hour. Yeah, we do have the 1 minute chart on here, but we're zoomed out. So, we got the 1 minute chart on here for Power Hour, but we were zoomed out. Hopefully that gets a little bit better there. Chillin'. When I initially deposited funds from my bank, I had to wait. So, yeah, I just assumed you had to use settled funds. Yeah, deposit on Weeble usually takes about 5 days to settle. Yep, Megan E-Trade does allow over-the-counters, but new rule change in September. We cannot buy stop sign stocks anymore. Do not stop believing. Yes. Donut stop believing. I like it, Neo Wolf. I like it. I mark no numbers, but it's madly higher than that for me. I don't know what we're going to, but yeah, we're going madly higher than whatever Cookie is referencing in that one. I like it. I'm with her. ClayBro, I'm just curious. What do you do for a living? I'm an adult entertainer. You're always get on live mornings and afternoons. Yeah, I just hang out with you guys. John Smith, you're welcome. I trust Weeble way before I trust Robinhood. Do not trust Robinhood. I transfer my shares from Robinhood over to Fidelity. You trade share price, Clay. 54 bucks, man. We're right under 54 bucks. Is that what you're talking about right there? Right under 54 bucks, and we're going to do this, guys. We're going to go back into the green today. I can feel it. I'm going to eat so much. Woo! And AMC squeezes. Well, stay healthy there, Tick. Stay healthy. Nope, only on crypto, but not on stocks on Weeble. Christian ClayBro's job is to be here in my big screen TV as per my request to check these ape shares. He's my adult entertainer. Cookie, I'm here specifically for you. That is it, my friends. That is it. Yo! Love you, ClayBro. Love all my fellow apes. Just bought some on the dip at 52. Now, y'all. Very nice. I like it. Cookie, can we all go to the wedding on the Moon AMC fam side? Well, you got to get that invite, man. Aunt Megan, E-Trade is great for over-the-counter. $4.95 each. All listed stocks are free, of course. I think Fidelity is free for over-the-counter. Mark, awesome, man. Thank you very much for throwing that out there about the over-the-counter stocks. I like it. King Vortex Gaming. ClayBro, I told TMI Short the VIX that they should have you on their live stream. They all agreed. Hit them up. All right, dude. I will, I'll send a DM to, I don't follow Short the VIX, and I don't know if he's active on Twitter, but I do follow the Mass Investor on Twitter. I can send him, actually I don't know if I can send him a DM, because I don't know if he follows me. Can you DM the Mass Investor? If he doesn't follow you, I can email him. Charmander loves Clay, but yeah, King Vortex, man. If you got connections with him and you can DM him or whatever, then I'll go on his stream. He can come on my stream, whatever he wants to do. Question: what happens if nobody covers the failure to delivers? Then those, my friend, are naked shorts. Straight up, if nobody covers them, they're naked shorts. Charmander loves Clay. Oh, so good to see that Charmander has not evolved into a Charmeleon yet. I like it. VIX is you can. All right, you can just they don't have to follow you to DM them. No problem, bro. Nice, King Vortex. Thanks, guys, because I do follow Masked Investor, but I don't know if he follows me. I've never DM'd him or anything, so I wouldn't know if I could. Moon Wedding, I like it. Let's get this backyard party post squeeze first. Let's do it, Cookie. Backyard party, then Moon Wedding. Ape Father did a belly flop in his pool for you. Forever Noble, did you see that? Yeah. Yep. He did a belly flop. I think he could have done a better belly flop, but the dance was incredible. That dance was fire, man. I've had both on my channel. They are super supportive. Nice, Matt. Nice. Then, does Short the VIX, like the only videos I've ever seen him do, he doesn't show his face. Does he ever show his face on anything? Lauren! Good evening, darling. Good evening. What's going on, Lauren? How are you? Hopefully you're having a good evening. I plan on investing $2,500 on Tuesday to make out with a few shares I had to sell for an emergency. Andrew, was it you that had to sell for the blown engine on your car? You blew your motor or something and you had to sell like 50 shares? Is that what it was? Alright, bro. Regards from Poland. Error 404. Regards from Poland. What is going on, man? Come to the cool side. Turn that name green. Charmander, let's see a green name, my friend. Cookie saying, welcome into the VIP. I'm still confused about the S3. I watched your video and made perfect sense, yet so many also keep saying how they are shorting with bonds. CC. Look, dude, we can talk about that for a couple seconds, and then if you guys got a lot of questions, and I know you probably do, we can talk about that a little bit more if you'd like. But yeah, so you can use those convertible bonds. They're essentially like call options, right? And I don't want to get so confusing with calling them call options or anything like that. But they have access to those shares at any time. So let's just say they wanted all $600 million worth of those bonds, and they bought all $600 million worth, and they covered 34 and whatever, half million shares of AMC. They can go out there, and if they short they don't have to borrow it because they already own those shares essentially. At any time they want, they can convert those bonds into shares. Now they're converting them at like a $17 price, but AMC was trading well below that when they took those bonds out. But they can use those 34 million shares that they have access to go out and short those things, and they're at that point they're covered shorts. That's called convertible hedging. So it allows them, and it's a strategy, but it's not necessarily something that is like an infinite loop like people are talking about. So if you get specific questions, I would be more than happy to answer those. Tom Zuckel is awesome, good stuff. Followed him for a while. That dude's always got the leaked information, doesn't he, Mark? He's always got the leak and exposed information. Hi, everyone. Crypto Rocketeer, Lisa, Lauren, Maddie, Dean, Blackjack Dealer, to all. Oh, my gosh. We are such a huge Green Clay gang. To all the subs out there. I love how Cookie greets everybody. Very nice. Hello, people. I'm doing really good. I had a little accidental nap before, so I'm awake. Lauren, I'm glad you took that nap. You're going to be going good into the close with us and into the after hours, and then you'll get some beauty rest tonight. Yes, Matt Perry, very interesting. Missed what Matt Perry said up there. Crypto Rocketeer, sup, buddy? What's going on? Sweetie Cookie Love. Oh, yeah. He's been on my stream live with his face. Nice. Nice. Heard he's pretty young, though, right? 20? Was he 20? 22? Something like that? Also on TMI. It's very cool. Sup, Rocket? Do we need a Chip Bro Diamond Cheek emoji? I think so. Ooh. I like that, James Brown. A Chip Bro Diamond Cheek emoji. What do you guys think about a Chip Bro Diamond Cheek emoji? Let me know right now. We can get that as a custom one. I got the Duck Bro coming soon. I already got that one made. The Chip Bro Diamond Cheek emoji. I like that. Short the Vix, aka Dom Zulo on YouTube. Check out the Kringle Kitten, guys. He's another great choice. Kringle Kitten. I don't know what that is. John Smith, I've been meaning to. Yeah. Was gone for 5 hours to find AMC back on sale again. I like it. To do, of course not. Would you pay 60 now to get 100K in the future? I would. Matt, if I could pay 60 now to get $100,000 in the future, I would absolutely do that. Yep, he's so young. He's just a little guy. He's just a little guy. No, dude, no disrespect from that. It's funny to say. Kringle will be on my channel as well. Amazing info. Kringle Kitten or something? Who's this? I've never seen the Kringle Kitten. Is he on Twitter or is he on YouTube? Is it a fake sell-off today or is it paper hands? Velocity, man. I think that we're just retesting that level of support we had at 52. It happens. I hear that's pretty cool, man. Oh, yes. Dude, Matt Perry's got a lot of people coming on his channel. I like it. 201 million shares return, 1.4 million, 1.5 million borrowed today. NT, thank you for the update on borrowed shares. We always appreciate that. Chip Bro Diamond Cheeks, yes. All right, we're going to get it then. So amazing group of apes we have here now. I hate when Clay's not streaming. Crypto Rocketeer. Well, you don't hate right now then because I'm streaming and you're having a good evening, my friend. I want my cookie sticker first. I love the idea though. Diamond Cheeks. Maybe we get a cookie. We need a cookie. We need a Dean doesn't show up enough to get a magic 8-ball, but we need a Dean's magic 8-ball. Maybe a cookie emoji as well. Crinkle Kitten on Twitter. It works for a financial company. Nice. Kringle, he's gonna be in. Is he really gonna be able to come on YouTube and talk? Kringle Kitten has been on TMI. Do you know anything about the convertible bonds drama? Marlo, yes. I just message I believe that. When Matt Perry says he messages everybody, I believe it. The dude is, I don't, like, it's not bad to be persistent, but if you guys want somebody on your side, Matt Perry, dude gets things done, man. If you need somebody to, like, get something going, talk to Matt Perry. Is Jimmy supposed to be squeezing as well? Muhammad, I hope so. Clay, do you expect GME to squeeze as well? Imagine if AMC and GME would squeeze in tandem. Aunt Megan, I think that they're at least going to move in tandem, and I don't know if it'll be because of a squeeze or if it'll be because of people, trying to jump on one or the other and not missing out. Yes, stop with that. Muhammad, yes, I'm gonna stop with that. Come on now. Don't be bad. Don't be bad. Do you think that hedgies could just keep borrowing the stock in order to push the price down and then just cover at a lower share price? Velocity, that's what they hope to do. That's their plan, man. They want to watch the stock price go down, and I think they could continue to short it until it does go down. I found myself impatiently waiting for this stream as another one was talking about donuts today. Very interesting. I do like donuts. I was really craving some donuts over the weekend, but I never got any. Thanks for answering my question. Marlo. Yeah, Marlo, I answered your question, yes. I do know about it. If you got please answer or please ask a specific question about the bonds if you would like, because we can talk about that. I just feel like, I may be repeating myself some, and if you've got a specific question, it might help a little bit better. Because once I start talking about it, I can go on about it for like 5 or more minutes, and then I miss a lot of the chat. So I didn't mean to just like dismiss your question and say yes, I know about it, but I'd be more than happy to answer a question if you have it. He's the best, isn't he, Mario Martin? He's the King Vortex. Welcome to. I want to see right now 182 Kings Vortex Gamings in the chat. Welcome, King Vortex Gaming. He's got that green name. He's got that green astronaut. Make sure all of you guys just shout him out shout King Vortex out right now. Clay, did you get the Cather installed so you can stream 8 hours nonstop? Miguel, I'm trying to find somebody to do it. Without a prescription, I can't get it done right now, so I need to find one of my friends to be able to get that going on there. Look at this, man. This is all for King Vortex, dude. I love the King Vortex spam in the chat for apps. Oh, dude, perfect. We got another green name added to the list. What is King Vortex Gaming? Very nice, man. Ask King Vortex Gaming what he does. He just became a member of the channel. It's got that green name, got that green astronaut. Absolutely love it. Thank you very much for doing that. Always appreciate it. Sell. Prince X Funny says sell. I'm not selling, dude. I'm not worried. King Vortex. Oh, yeah. Nufo, bro. Throwing those chipmunks. And it does look like it's getting a little bit sunnier out. So we could get the chipmunk cam going on here pretty soon. King Vortex, welcome to the VIP Aces ClayBro Lounge. Let's pop them bottles of crisp lemonade. Gaming King Vortex. There you go, Tom. Gaming King Vortex. Vortex King Gaming. King Vortex. Oh, that one already works. Vortex Gaming King. All right, I like them all. MEL POSI or PLS1 says buy. If anybody says sell, you say buy. Like, yeah, brother. Oh, yeah. King Vortex with the chipmunk. I like it. Vortex King Gaming. Tom is all over it. He made sure that he got every single one of those possibilities out there. Thank you very much. I'm new to this channel. Milan Tillman, glad to have you in here. Thank you very much for being new. Don't forget to click that subscribe button if you like what you see. Click the like button as well. And, dude, Q&A. If you got any questions about anything going on right now, you want them answered, you want to watch the graph, you want to watch the chipmunk, we're going to have it all, man. Board Gaming Vortex King. I like it, man. Very love you, bros. King Vortex, glad to have you in here. We love you as well, man. Thank you very much. Power Hour LFG. Let's go, guys. We got 23 minutes left in the day. Good day, all. Phil. Yeah, it's a lot of people get discouraged when it goes down a little bit, but it is a good day. We're going to close in the green. We're going to have a nice little pop here at the end of the day. If this is something that interests you, yes, Rob Bliss, or the guy that was new to the channel, Milan. If this is something that interests you, click that subscribe button. Oh my gosh, Wahoo fish tacos, so bomb. Red Foreman, glad you like those fish tacos. Clay, you're the man. Keep it going. MLE POS1, you're the man. Thank you for helping me keep it going. Oh, the rain must be moving my way. Delivering packages in the rain right now. Sinister. Terrible, man. Rain, it's going to clear up soon, though, because I do see the sun coming out now. We could get another one of those Google meetings set up so we can watch this chipmunk eat the seeds. Brett, no, DM me instead. Yes, Brett. DM Cookie. Oh, guys, my Binance verification code was 5528238. It says don't share with anyone, but I trust you guys, and it doesn't work in Texas anyway. Oh, my goodness. Thank you for the verification code, Brett. We will all be sure to use that. And let's get started, John Smith. That is exactly right. What does the hedge funds plan to cover their shorts? Buy the stock when it's cheap. Their plan is to hold out until we all get bored, and then they can go buy the stock back, $2 a share. I'm soaked from the rain today. Corona. I'm telling you, now it's gray again outside. I just saw a little bit of sun. Now it's gray again. You're welcome. He's great. You will like him. John Smith, thank you. Oh, no. Oh, John Smith, you were talking to Milan. Gotcha. Oh, I got you now. I made sure to... I read a little bit up there. Cool. Say your intro, Clay. I don't even know how to say it, guys. I don't even know how to say it. But you know, this is Power Hour with the Chip Bro Cam. And if that sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Okay, Milan, yes, alright, glad to have you here. Happy Canada Day, smash that like button. Happy Canada Day to you as well, Chris. Make sure you hit that like button, guys. Corona, I'm soaked too. Except it ain't raining. Mic drop, baby. Mic drop. And she retracted it. Oh no, Cookie. Dip before the rip, FOMO, mofo. I sure hope so. Look, we bounced off that support, guys. I know that you think that might be a huge dip, but we did bounce off the support we've got at 52. You know, it's there for a reason. We're bouncing off that level that we've seen over the last couple of weeks. I mean, look how many times we've hit that 52. You see it? Boom, 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 boom. We might even hit it again as we continue to roll through this pennant here. Boom, boom, until the pennant closes. So don't think that we won't hit 52 again. But it does seem to be holding up as a pretty strong level of support for us. So I do like that. Headed to South Florida. Happy, very good, man. Glad to see that you're going to South Florida. It's probably beautiful weather down there. The intro was outsourced. That's actually a young Guatemalan boy saying, "Let's get it started" on the videos. It is, dude. It's actually a young Guatemalan boy. And the good thing is, I only had to pay him sunflower seeds. Tropical storm headed to South Florida. A little happy hurricane season. Oh, tropical storm. I thought you said you were headed. I had Weeble was covering my chat. I thought you were headed to South Florida. Marlo, not Mario. Okay, gotcha. Missed that if I said Mario before. Sorry, Marlo. Glad to have you in here, though. I just bought 5 more shares. Apes like Clay's channel. If you bought some more shares today, Manuel. Nice, man. Add to the portfolio. 5 shares at what? What'd you get them at? 52, 53, 54? Are more bonds, okay, are more bonds, will this go on forever or until margin called now? And that's part of his question. Was actually, I read on Twitter the S3 was filed, admin clean up for Silver Lake, but there were more bonds, will this go on forever until margin called now? Dude, they can't sell, I mean, just because they have a convertible bond, you know, that's a guaranteed share for them, yes, but it doesn't create some sort of an infinite loop like you may have seen on some other channels. So if that's the hang up, you don't have to worry about an infinite loop. But if you're worried about them shorting shares because they own the bonds, then yes, they can do that because the convertible bond is basically the same thing as owning that share. I bought more today too. Cookie, add to that portfolio. I love it, Cookie. Guys, make sure you follow Cookie on Twitter. You won't regret it. Buy more today. I think I'm done buying now, but I finally. Amanda is in the 200 club. Amanda, very nice. I like it. Boom Boom Candles, come on, baby. But do they have a Lambo bond? Interesting, Josie. I don't think that they do. I don't think they've got a Lambo bond. Hedgies, don't have Clay to keep them motivated. We hold. Yes. Guys, I will not motivate the hedge funds. I'll tell you the hedge funds are smart. I'll tell you they think they know what they're doing. I'll tell you that they make mistakes, and they might have made the biggest mistake of their lives, shorting AMC. Hey, bro, what is the significance with July 8th, a possible rip? Nufo, I don't know where you saw July 8th. I got the pennant kind of ending next week. This bull flag that you're talking about here, I've got that ending roughly July 8th, but I don't know if that's going to cause a rip or a dip, and I also don't know what you are referencing on your July 8th. If that's it, hopefully that answered it, but how about more shares at 54.10? Increased my average to 30.12. I got a total of 57 shares, not a whole lot, but I'm up over $1,500. I will continue to buy and hold more, Manuel. Dude, $1,500, man. That's still a gain, dude. That is still a gain. Clay, you're so sweet. Always sharing the love my way. Cookie, how can I not? How can I not? I mean, look at you. Incredible. We don't do dates. J Bones, man. We don't do dates. Awesome, Manuel. That is awesome, Manuel. Adding 57 shares to his portfolio right now. Very good. Stepping it up and making $1,500. More candles than a geriatric birthday cake. Yes, we've got a lot of candles on the graph right now, Diffie Dog. We are moving into after hours, 16 minutes left in the day. Hopefully we get a very strong close. I was in timeout with Fruit Bowl. Well, glad to have you back there, Blackjack Dealer. Mulan says L. L good. Hey yo, M James in the house. Marlo. Okay, yes, I saw about the infinite loop. Great to know it isn't what is going on. I feel better now. Thank you. Yeah, Marlo, man. There's no such thing as an infinite loop, but if they do own the bond, they can go out and they've got a covered short position as well. And so if you own a bond and you also sell the stock short, so you own a convertible bond, that means that you have an underlying bullish position in AMC. You would go out and you would short AMC as well. What does that create? That creates a convertible hedge, and then you can use that hedge to just solely receive the interest rate on the stock. So if you had that convertible bond and you didn't short the stock, you're making 3% on the interest rate. But if AMC stock continues to go lower or it goes down, that loss in the underlying value of the bond, the underlying convertible asset, is going to offset that 3% interest rate that you're receiving per year. So you would go out and you would short AMC to guarantee that you receive the underlying 3% that the convertible bond pays per year. So that would be a good way to offset any declines in the price of the bond or any declines in the price of the convertible asset. I don't do one-night stands, Clay, but maybe half-night stands. All right, Crypto Rocketeer. Only nightstands we're doing are the ones that sit next to the bed. It keeps your chapstick and your phone on them while you sleep. 15 minutes left in the JD Correa, absolutely. We're making it happen, and we're going to close strong. I can feel it. M. James and Blackjack Dealer show up at the same time. M. James and Blackjack Dealer, what are you guys doing? Crypto, the proper shortening is BJ Dealer. We've got that on lock now. Everybody's shorting the name. Everybody's shorting Blackjack Dealer right now. Yes, sir. Blackjack Dealer. AMC American Money Company. Maurice printing those dollar bills into our portfolios. You look exhausted, bro. Get some rest. Andre, do I really look exhausted? I don't know. I don't feel exhausted. I feel fine. POG. Pog? Is what we're talking about? Milan? Crypto, you holding up the world on your shoulders. You doing it, man. Yeah, Josie says, what is Brett might be on to something here. Snuggling and gaining emotional confidence. M. James is the man to do that with. I'm telling you right now. You want some emotional confidence, M. James is the guy to look out for. If you guys think that I'm having a bad day, I just looked at M. James and I feel all better. It's true. Blackjack Dealer, if that sticks, I apologize in advance. It's all right. No apologies here. Blackjack Dealer brought it on himself. I don't know what BJD was doing, but I was wrapping some trades for the day. M. James. You and Blackjack Dealer were doing the same thing, man. Both making money. Add one of those thick upward technicals. James Brown, we need one into the close, don't we? We need one into the close. What are we doing here? We need to get this thing going. Come on now. Come on now. Let's get that. No going below that line right there. Now be good, line. Be good. And it's annoying. Milan says it's... Oh, ClayBro, thanks for saying my name right because people keep saying my name wrong. I don't know how they would say it, Milan. Is it Milan? Millen? I don't know, but dude, I got you. Yeah, getting close, Clay. We're getting close to that last minute, aren't we there, Lisa? Glad you're watching the clock and getting ready to make sure that I'm good. The only question we have is, have the shorts covered yet? The answer is no. Guys, the shorts have not covered. Therefore, the short squeeze has not occurred. Therefore, we are still here. We are still holding, and we are still charging the hedge funds obscene prices for the shares that they've shorted on AMC. Simple as that. That's what we're doing. Sorry, Mullen. Sometimes we mess up. No, Milan, we are all good. John, spending money, 30 shares. How about you? Curious. Shrudy, I'm an ant, so I assume he's a dealer. Maybe. Keep holding. Caesar, we are continuing to hold. Absolutely. Hey, Clay, bring that cheek closer. I'm planting a big kiss on you via the TV. AMC strong. Well, guys, right there. Yeah, all right. Cookie, hopefully you got that because we're going back right now. That's all you got. Short interest dropping 1%. It's like your parents telling you to clean your room and you pick up one sock they haven't covered. That's true, man. That is true. But what if your room is always clean? Then your parents are just crazy. If Lauren's listening, your parents are just whack. But it's all good, Malin. We got it right. Yep, don't hate us, Melon. Nope, don't hate us. We need a run. Hold apes. Hi, Clay. What is going on? Sean, how are you doing? Hopefully you're having a good day just as we are. Milan, you're good, man. He says okay. Milan, glad to have you in here. Thank you for being new to the channel. Did you click that subscribe button yet? Let us know. Are you a brother? Are you the brother I never had? Sabo, yes. And you're the brother that I've always had. Melon. What's up, Clay? How you living? Like you got me living very, very well over here. Hopefully you are as well. Wiggity, wiggity, whack. Yes. Lauren, where you at? Wiggity, wiggity, whack, Lauren. It's wiggity, wiggity, whack. Milan. Oh my gosh. All the Milan names. Milan, seriously. Welcome to the chat. It's always like this. And hopefully you're on board. Because, you know, they're having good times. Red Texas, yes! Lauren is here! Wiggity, wiggity, whack! Also, the other brother that Shayna doesn't want. Sabo. Watch out now. Mulan. I like it. M. James Mulan. What's up from SoCal? What's up from Ohio? John, how are you doing? Just got out of the hospital. Had high blood pressure in the first fast heartbeat. Trying to relax and hold the line. Sean, sounds like you might need to take a little break, man. We don't need any high blood pressure and fast heartbeats. I can't wait to wake up one day and see AMC is $25,000 plus per share. Dude, if you wake up to that, that's going to be amazing. I think you're going to have a great day on that one. Close enough. I deliver to Malam Road. That's close enough, Sinister. Yes, it is. Them short bus paper hands. Oh, goodness. We don't need no short bus paper hands in here. Araceli, come on. Where are they at? Does anyone else see a different name every day in the top right corner of ClayBro's full screen? Yes, this name right here, Mark Banks. This is the last person that subscribed to the channel. If you subscribe to the channel, your name goes up here on the screen. It lasts for roughly a minute if people continuously subscribe. Otherwise, it stays on top of the screen until somebody else finally subscribes. So if you want your name on the screen for an hour, get it up there now and nobody might subscribe and then you're good. Think we are losing steam with not as many new retail investors. What can we do to pump up new investors holding XXX shares? Killer, I don't think that we're losing steam. The best thing that we can do is hold the stock. That's the best thing we can do. We hold it, we don't sell it back. We don't let the hedge funds buy. That's the game. Who remembers the song I Missed the Bus by Criss Cross? Manuel, I do not think I remember that song. New subscriber. We got a new subscriber in the house. All right. Shrudy, I did not see what Brett said. It's going to be pronounced Moolah soon. Yes, Milan, your name will soon be pronounced Moolah. Why? Because you are rolling in the Moolah, baby. Oh, yes. The stream needs more squirrel filling its mouth with clay. Come on, Diffie. We'll get there in a minute. It might be rain. Let's get the camera worked out, and then we can see what's going on with that. It's something I'll never ever do again. Man, I missed it. Finger waggle. That's for you, Lauren. Mark Banks, thank you for subscribing to the channel. We got the finger waggle right here. Oh, MTBRS. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Appreciate that. Blackjack Dealer, I don't think so. I was just listening this morning. Tell your friends about AMC. I did. I don't have any friends, but I told them all about AMC. Also, if your name is not green, that means you're missing out on the full VIP access with ClayBro Gang. What you waiting? Go green, fellow chipmunk bro apes. Go green, guys. Go green. That's better. I got you, Lauren. I got you. Keep me on my toes with a finger waggle, please. I need it. The next line of the song, didn't you ever wear your clothes backwards, Clay? Intentionally or unintentionally? Intentionally, no. Unintentionally, probably. If you're in the market, you're gambling. I don't know if it's necessarily gambling if you're in the market, but you can make some decent money. Hodl, don't fret the small stuff. No one has seen anything like this before. Patience, patience, patience. Absolutely. Yalamed. Absolutely. Patience is a virtue, and we must have it. Mac Daddy, you make me want to jump. I do know that. He doesn't know the backwards. This with crisscross. Guys, I'm lost. I don't know the backward thing with crisscross. You guys gotta help me here. I also told my friends that they looked at me as if I was, well, MTBR, man. They're just missing out. It's all right. More money for you, right? He didn't recognize JNCOs either. Brett, I'm telling you, dude. I am actually a computer simulation. I'm just a hologram on the screen. Real person? No. That is why the chipmunk eats out of my hand. It's just a 3D imaging. That's all it is. Chris Houseworth closed backwards. Interesting, Matt Perry. Woodlove, yes, M. James. I'm telling you guys, you can get me on some stuff, but you're never going to get me on Woodlove again. Better plug that iPad up. Yes, plug the iPad up. My iPad is on 10%. Better plug it up, Milan. Get the charge going. Backwards pants was a fad in the 90s. I wasn't wearing pants in the 90s, guys. Come on now. That was the actual fad that you should have been a part of. It's not Alice in Chains, so it's not Alice in Chains, so it's not music. Phil was Alice in Chains all over. Jump, jump. Chris Cross will make you jump, jump. Chris Cross wore their clothes backwards on purpose. Interesting. We don't see anything chest down because there are spotless white New Balance sneakers on. And that, my friends, is why Brett is one of my best friends in the entire world. He knows me. 5 minutes to close. Close at about 55. Let's do it, John Smith. Any advice for new investors looking to get into AMC? Tito, man, my advice for you would be to listen up. If you make the decision that you want to get into AMC, absolutely make it. We are here for a short squeeze. We are not here for the underlying value of AMC. We are here to watch AMC squeeze because the hedge funds are covering their short positions. Claude, thank you very much for the super chat. Claude, the whole market bad today. I'm going to go out in front AMC movie theaters with a sign that says buy AMC stock. Tweet a picture, Claude. We need to see this happen. We need to see this happen. Buy AMC stock, guys. Claude is going out in front of AMC theaters holding a sign that says buy the stock. Why? Because he wants to watch AMC go to the moon, and he wants to watch the hedge funds lose their money. Clay, we love your willingness to learn the era. 90s, baby. Oh, yeah. Just buy what you can afford. Of course, Tito, this is not financial advice. Nothing is. I love live streams. You are perfect for me. Milan, I also love live streams, and I believe that you are perfect for me. You're going to fit in very well here. I can already tell. Man. It's going to be going good. Tuesday should be a green day for the last 3 days. Holiday weekends were really good because people go home and talk about AMC with their family and friends, and then their family and friends jump on board, forget the daily stock videos, teach the community of apes before red days what they are. Forget the daily stock videos, man. We need daily stock videos. Come on. Bought one more share. Philip, very good. 1 minute mark horse race clay, bro. We can hope for it. We can hope for it. I'm subscribing. Milan. You're going to get your name up on the channel right there if you subscribe to it. Thank you very much. Rocket! What first drew you to YouTube? Interesting, Rocket. The fact that I spent enough time watching it. First, it drew me to YouTube. I'm telling you. That's the first thing that drew me to YouTube. I loved watching it, man. And if you love watching it, guess what the next step is? I don't know what the next step. You make a YouTube channel, I guess. Brett, Texas, thank you very much for the super chat as well. Brett, hang out by the concession stand at AMC and let people know if they buy a share, their popcorn is free. Brett, you're on to something, man, because they will offset the cost of that popcorn right there. And they'll go immediately buy a share of AMC. I like it, dude. Getting close to my prediction. John Smith, let's see it happen. Let's see it happen. 1 minute mark horse race commentary. JD Correa wants the 1 minute mark horse race commentary. What are we going to see in this last minute of the day? Where is this last candle going to go, guys? Only time will tell. And we are off. What is this? Is this the 358 candle or is this the last candle of the day? We got one more coming in? Or is this the last one? This is 15. We're at 1558 right now. Is it 1550? 1559. All right, we're good to go. Last minute of the candle. Oh, guys, it's looking like a nice steady. We're staying in the gates right now, but I don't know if we're going to be able to bust out or not. Looking very small, and it's not really doing anything. 54.15, 54.15, holding it. 54.13, ooh, 54.10. Oh, it's going down a little bit now. 54.11. I don't like the way this is going, but it's still tight. It's still in there. It looks like we're staying in the gates on this one, guys. We're not going to be going up. We're not going to be going down. We're just holding nice and steady. Doesn't look like we've got a breakout in either direction. I don't know why this candle can't get some legs. Somebody go out there and make sure to put in some buying power so we can watch this candle go to the upside. 54.21, it's looking pretty good right now. We were at 54.10 a couple minutes ago, 54.22 right now. 10-cent candle range, But can we make it any higher or lower than that? I think we need to see a bust out. If anything's going to be exciting, it's going to be exciting right now in the last minute of the day. But the candle is nice and tight. We've got a tiny little doji formation coming on here. It doesn't mean anything because it's the last candle of the day and it's extremely tight. If you guys wanted to see some more action, you would have gotten it. But 54.20 was the close. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is all she wrote for the close right there. No, Shruti, but doesn't work. Missed what Shruti said because I was busy watching the Weeble screen, and we are back in action right now. And that's the bell, ladies and gentlemen. Close right at 54.20. Let me check at crypto. Shruti, go check. Ding, 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 ding. The bell is in. Race needs some intensity. Quick. Take the shirt off. It's so cold in here. It's so cold. Guys, the thermostat, you know what the can't even tell you what the thermostat's set at. You guys are going to be inappropriate. It's cold in here. We got to keep the shirt on. You don't need to know what the thermostat reads in ClayBro's house. Can you explain your strategy a little? Sorry, I'm new to this. Yeah, Tito. So, the hedge funds, they went out. They shorted AMC, right? That means that they have sold AMC and they are required to buy it back at a later date. Hopefully for them at a lower price. Hopefully for us at a higher price. So, we know that they are guaranteed to buy the stock back. What does it mean when you're guaranteed to buy the stock back? It means that it doesn't matter what the price is at. You are required to buy that stock back, especially if a margin call occurs. Now, does a margin call have to occur? No, it doesn't. The demand is still there no matter what the price is. So we buy the stock, we hold the stock. We don't sell the stock back to the hedge funds, and they're required at some point to offer higher and higher and higher prices until we finally accept that price. Whether that price is $100 a share or $100,000 a share, we call the shots when selling those stocks back to the hedge funds if we can withhold that supply from them. Simple as that. Trey, course, TMI, ClayBro, short the VIX there in this. So, Clay, my subs watch these 5 YouTubes in that most in order. Yeah, dude, I think mine as well. I think that actually, I think Coors is above Trey on my subs. But it's pretty much the same exact list, man. In that order, though. We're going to get ClayBro higher on the list. Let's do it. JD Correa. Thank you for the super chat, JD Correa. Let's see what JD's got to say. You missed the horse race commentary, ClayBro. Everyone was calling for it. Dude, I don't think I missed it, man. I mean, it was a very tight race. We didn't even really break out of the gate there. We were on the last minute of the day, dude. We were on the last minute of the day, and then we closed at 54.20. So, I don't think I missed it, but if I did, you know what? There's always tomorrow. And then there's not always the next day because it's going to be a holiday, but then there's always the next day, and then the next day, and then the next day. And we can do the horse race every day of the week if you guys like it. Love from Florida. Ooh, we got the ducks coming in the chat right now. Guys, make sure if you're coming over from Matt's stream, click that like button and throw those ducks in the chat. Hands up, hands off. Yeah, what up, ClayBro? Nando's, how are you doing? I'll be back. Neo Wolf, be back, man. Come on now. Holding strong, baby. OMG, John Smith. Miss with your OMG. Thank you, I appreciate it. Definitely subscribe to your channel. Keep doing your thing. Tito, subscribe to the channel, man. Guess what your name's going to be? Your name's going to be right up there. Right up there. I'll finger waggle when your name comes on the screen. You know why? Because Lauren thinks it's whack when I finger waggle. We're going to do it anyway. I got 54.22. Yeah, we might settle. I might settle a little bit higher, CC. I closed at 54.20, but we might settle a little up. You might settle at 54.20. I don't know. Heard something vibrate through the stream. John Smith, my phone might not be on silent. If you heard that, then yes, your super chat. JD Correa, your super chat. You missed the horse race commentary, ClayBro. Everyone's gone. I saw your super chat, dude. I saw your. Didn't I? I mean, I read that. ClayBro, mint julep is one of my favorite cocktails. Interesting. Mint julep? ClayBro, you missed a super chat. The one where JD says. No, guys, I did not miss the super chat where JD says you missed the horse race commentary, ClayBro. Everyone was calling for it. I think something must be going on because I did not. I promise, guys, I did not miss that super chat. What's going on here? Did somebody else think that I missed that super chat? Promise, I did not miss it. Yeah, we gotta. I don't know why this thing's. Hold on. Guys, give me 2 seconds. We're going full screen Weeble. Forgot to turn the phone on silent, and then when you are using the back camera, you got to turn it all the way around if you expect to see what's going on. All right, and we're back. All right, good deal. Silence. Yes, we turned it on silence. Is this the Matrix? No, it is not. They weren't saying you missed it. You didn't do it. Dude, I think something's either going on with the stream or something else, because I swear I did the last candle of the day, but dude, you guys don't remember? I mean, am I just that excited all the time? Like the last candle of the day, man, right here, we had absolutely nothing going on, but I was doing the horse race commentary on the last candle. We just didn't have any breakout action in either direction, so we had to keep it inside the horse never left the gate. So I do remember doing that. I showed up at the Super Chat. Yeah, take care of business. Oh, man, I'm telling you guys, I don't know, but I did miss Mr. Normus's super chat here, so let's go back up to that. Dixie, Mr. Normus, thank you very much for the super chat. Matt Kors channel ain't all it's quacked up to be. Matt Kors, are you not all you're quacked up to be? No, Matt Kors is the man. Thank you very much. I appreciate the super chat. Mr. Normus. Dixie is his first name. All right, back on down to here. Well, Clay, is it true they have about 2 weeks to cover their shorts? No. Jesus, that's not true, man. They don't have about 2 weeks to cover their shorts. They can let those short shares outstand as long as they want until they get margin calls. We got Nick F and M James in the chat. Brotherhood is forming there. I like it. Clay, you need to buy one of those silent pocket vibrators. Crypto Rocketeer, I know. It's just, I'm getting exposed left and right, aren't I? No, Clay didn't miss the last super chat. Very strange, guys. Very strange. I know you might be messing with me, but very strange. Can you read that super chat you missed about the horsies chillin'? Charlie the Ape. I swear I read it, man. Thanks for providing direction and motivation. Mr. Steven or Stefan, I don't know. Fowler. Thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate that. And, yes, direction and motivation. I like the way you put that, man. Direction. You don't have to choose to go the same direction that I am going. And motivation. I will always motivate everybody to the best of my ability. I mean, I can't say that I'm going to do a phenomenal job, but the best of my ability. I won't be on much next. I'll be on holiday, as Lauren would put it. It's Nick F. Always on holiday or always working. This dude stays busy, doesn't he? JD Correa, sorry, ClayBro. I had a bad lag on my end. I heard the horse race commentary. JD Correa. Dude, it might have been a bad lag on my end. I have no idea. You know, I can never tell what you guys are seeing, what you guys are hearing, any of that stuff. Could have been on my end, man. And you didn't have to send that in the super chat. Absolutely not. I will never miss a super chat. I will never. Well, I can't say that I might miss a horse race commentary because I don't know if I'm going to remember to do that all the time right in the last minute of the day. But hey, if you guys remind me and you want it, we will make it happen. But thank you very much, Mr. JD. I think it's Mr., right? Mr. JD Correa for the super chat. Awesome. Milan says, nice. Yes, this happened during Memorial Day week or Memorial Weekend as well. Then it went back up the following week. Aaliyah, yes, you are correct on that one. We all remember that. Is Nick F talking to me again? Wow, yes, you are correct. Nick F is always talking to you, Lauren. If he's not talking to M. James, he's talking to you. Rarely talks to me. Hi, Clay. Do apes diamond hand to the moon? Aria, absolutely. I'm loving the super chats. Manuel, thank you. I'm loving the super chats as well. Hi, Cookie. I'm doing great. Back home now. Nick is doing great, Cookie. Yes. Clay, you missed JD's super chat clarifying the last super chat. Brett, I promise I did not miss JD's last super chat clarifying the last super chat that I missed before that. Now you've got me in an endless loop. You guys thought that, look, I'm in an endless loop right now. This is what happens. I go into this endless loop and I can't get out of it. Cookie, okay, so guess what's in my car? My racket. Nice! Let's go play some tennis, Cookie. Let's go play some tennis. M. James, I was looking at Nick F for signs, but didn't see it. M. James, I was looking at Nick F for signs, but I didn't see any. Interesting. Don't be shocked, Lauren. Don't be shocked, please. He barely misses any of the free chats. So why would I miss a super chat? Him, Duncan, correct. I wasn't sure which airport. It's difficult, M. James. You got to get him on the right airport next time. I don't even know what airport. Today is the day we break Clay. Brett, today was the day they broke me. Today is the day they broke me. Today is... I'm broken, man. I'm there. Any other stocks to pay attention to? All of them, Tito. Pay attention to everything. Why? Because people always have questions about what's going on, so they need you to answer them. But no, dude, I don't know. You can pay attention to GameStop. You can pay attention to anything. There's a lot of good opportunities out there that's not just AMC. AMC is just providing a very nice opportunity for anybody waiting for a short squeeze right now. I'm just messing with you, Nick F. I'm just messing with you. What was the super chat? The super chat was about the fact that I missed a super chat. And then the super chat prior to that was the fact that I missed a horse race. It's an endless loop, dude. Are you Dream? Milan, yes. I am actually a dream. This is not real. I like your cup. Thank you, Aria. Spider-Man. Thursday members act like this is a date site. Well, AJ, this is a AMC hangout site. And when people have similar interests, they have interests in one another. There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with people being interested in one another and hanging out and having some fun and making some money, is there? Clay, yeah, you made me go find it today. I'm down for it now. Let's go. 70 million by Fast 9 doesn't seem to have made much of a difference this week. Maybe Black Widow can help. Turtle, don't rely too much on increased revenue making much of a difference at this point. The stock price is not attached to underlying fundamentals by any means. Can we see Half-Tail Mini Chibrowski? Natalie, good question. It is sunny right now. So, guys, give me a couple minutes. And, look, I use this phone here for the ChipBro cam. So, I got to get this thing set up. Because it was raining a minute ago. So, I'm going to have to get this thing set up if you guys want to see another ChipBro cam in action. Oh, well, this meeting is still alive, so we could just rejoin this meeting right here. And that should be good. AMC is wearing me out. E-Bomb! You're going to be okay, man, I promise. Don't get tired. To the moon with a cookie. That is the plan. Let it eat Clay. Matthew, we're going to feed this thing. Rocket is in the chat. M. James, half-tailed rat. No, he's not a rat. I'm telling my friends. Tell your friends, Milan. You're going to tell them what? About the channel? Or AMC. I might have missed something that somebody said there. I got my free large popcorn last weekend watching Fast 9 at AMC for being a stockholder. Of course, I got a few beers as well. You buy beers, he means lemonades. Wish the lemonade would have been free. Caesar, we wish the lemonade would have been free as well. JT Wisco, what is going on, JT Wisco? Glad to have you in here. Listening between jobs. Dennis, thank you very much. I absolutely appreciate that. Tyson, keep it up. You might get this to happen. Tyson, always sending some love. I can't scroll up right now. I'm trying to get this meeting connected. Guys, make sure you help me out in the chat if I miss something. I believe, Tyson, I believe too, man. I wonder what a solid ClayBro hug feels like. Fairly normal, uncomfortable, or all up in it. The worst part is, man, I will never know. I will never know what a ClayBro hug feels like. I will never know. If you guys want to be sad for any reason today, that's the reason you should be sad. I think he's an all-up-in-it kind of guy. Natalie says, well, forget that awkward stuff. He's an all-up-in-it kind of guy. Oh. And Natalie might be able to know, but I will never know. That's the sad part. ClayBro hugs smell like that Amazon affiliate hair stuff. Stuff smells good, doesn't it, James? Stuff smells good, man. What's the info on getting free popcorn? Matthew, I don't have the link, but I think you got to go register at whatever link they have out there, and you can check it out. Clay, are we there yet? Woo, woo. We are not on the moon yet, but we are steadily making our way there. So we'll make it there one day, but just not yet. Clay, does it look like we closed in the wedge or just outside of it? James Brown, I think we closed just outside of it, actually. On that daily wedge. I think we closed just outside of it. Where's my wedge? Oh, no. We're inside the wedge I had, man. We're inside the wedge I have here. I'm pretty sure that's the... What happened to this? We might have closed outside of it, dude. I don't know what happened to that line. Well, it depends where you draw your wedge from. If you get a nice tight flagpole like that, then we closed just to the outside of it. But if you got a nice deep flagpole using this down here, we closed in it. So I'll let you decide which one you want to use. I'd probably take that part out of mine. But it depends which one you want to use, man. Because then we can get back in here. And you see, if we use that deep one, we closed inside of it. If we use the tight one, we closed just outside of it. I gotta go, Clay, but can we hang out tomorrow? Milan, absolutely. Bring a friend tomorrow. We could definitely hang. Brett says, I bet Clay has his own unique smell. That's why he doesn't leave the room. The fragrance companies will stop at nothing to capture, however you say, Audit Clay. They might, Brett. That's why I never leave the room. I stay in here forever. M. Rodriguez, 264 shares at $63. Loving them. Smiley emojis, man. Nice. We're going to pick you back up, M. Rodriguez. We're going to pick you back up. Bye, Milan. See you tomorrow. Milan, see you tomorrow. Glad to have you in here. And please do come back. What do you think about what do you think about ride for a flip? What do you think about ride for a flip? Juan, what do you mean ride for a flip? Rocket, thank you for the ClayBro's peach. As we get this chipmunk cam ready to go, we got to get Rocket the peach that he so wants. Right here, guys. ClayBro's peach. Still nice and fuzzy. And thank you very much, Rocket. I appreciate that. Hopefully everybody else out there appreciates ClayBro's peach as well. One more. Nice and fuzzy. That's the only peach you're going to get right now, guys. Thank you very much, Rocket, for bringing the peach to everybody who wanted to see it. Send proof, Lauren. What is Lauren proving here? I'd climb it anyway. Makes sense, doesn't it? Guys, I don't know what Lauren is climbing. I need to know now. Bye, Mile Ann. Milan, everybody's ripping your name, but be back tomorrow. Clay, you're so funny. Haha, Peach. Yes, Manuel. That is the only Peach you guys are going to be seeing on the Super Chat. If you don't know by now, I imitate every super sticker that comes on by. And that is it. Lordstown Motors. Coca-Cola was my best investment. Warren Buffett. Glad to have you in here, man. How you been? Peach is kind of creepy. Caesar, it might be kind of creepy, but guess what? It's the peach, dude. It's the peach. That's how we roll. Okay, got that off. We got that off. Okay, guys, give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna go hook the chipmunk cam up, and we can see if that little guy's hungry. So it's production price for tomorrow. Berkshire Hathaway shares, we need those. AMC to Pluto. Ow, AMC to Pluto. That peach made my day. LOL, so cool. Manuel, glad I made your day. I'll be right back, guys. I'm going to set the chipmunk cam up, and hopefully he's hungry. Chipmunk, seeds are ready. Come on now. Everybody wants to hang out. Oh, man, I can't believe I left it on big blank screen. That was dumb. I should have moved that over to the chart or something. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. Chipmunk cam. You know what? Let me tilt that just a little bit more. That looks a little weird. All right, we're back, and Chipmunk cam. Is it good? Is it good? It is good. All right, cool, guys. And main screen, we want the Chipmunk cam on the main screen as well. Don't do this to me again. I don't know why. I don't know why. All right, at least that's fine for now. So, ApeCoin. ApeCoin, I'll see you guys there soon. All right, hashtag ApeCoin. Dude, chipmunks have 3 toes. Chris, I don't know. I've never analyzed his toes before. Clay, when should I be expecting that package? M. James, not, I would say early next week, man. My sister ran out of transfer tape, so she wasn't able to get all the stickers done that I needed to send out, and I just wanted to send them all out at the same time. So she got the transfer tape a couple days ago, and all the stickers are done now, but I got to pick them up for her. If AMC goes over 60 tomorrow, and I will be writing M. James 007 on it. M. James 007 will be written. 60 tomorrow, getting you a chipmunk mug, ClayBro. Flo J, nice. Hopefully it goes over $60 tomorrow. Oh my god, I'm so excited to see little baby chipmunk. They just got kidnapped. What? They got kidnapped just for Clay's ratings. No, I did. No, Brett, don't listen to Brett. Don't listen. I did not kidnap the chipmunk. Chipmunk willingly comes into my house. Would be funny. Man, something would be funny, but I missed it. M. James receiving another man's package right in front of me. Cool, 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 cool. M. James. The package has your name all over it, man. It's got your name written all over it. Hey, so where you say about low volume is good or bad? So what were you saying about low volume, good or bad? Sean, look, man, high volume equals high volatility, high momentum. So a lot of people want to see high volume because it could increase the price quicker, right? More people jumping on board, but it can also decrease the price quicker. Higher volume doesn't always correlate to higher prices. So low volume, on the other hand, shows that there's no supply of shares for the hedge funds to go out and cover those positions that they need. That adds to the days to cover. Low volume creates that risk, that liquidity risk that hedge funds use to get margin called. So if they don't have the liquidity available, aka they're not able to go out and get those shares, they're not able to go out and buy those shares, that would create a risk for the lenders, and therefore we could see some margin calls. So that's why I want to see low volume. Riv J, thank you very much for the super chat. Poor family, college dropout, bankruptcy to owning my own restaurant at the age of 32. My remaining goal is to retire my parents. Let's go, apes, and love you, bro. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it wrong when I say Riv J or Riv J, but thank you very much for the super chat. Man, owning your own restaurant at 32 has to feel incredible. If you don't have quesadillas on the menu, I would consider adding a quesadilla, bro, to the menu. And simple, man. Simple. You just, some chicken, some cheese, a little bit of onions and tomatoes. You're good to go. And retiring your parents is like, I hope you make it, man. I hope you make it, and I hope AMC helps. I love it, though. I love the fact 32, owning your own restaurant after bankruptcy, college dropout, all that nonsense. You're doing work, and I love to see that. That is awesome. The Mass Investor talked about bringing you onto his live show one day to talk about AMC. What do you think? A lot of people said that. I think that I would do it if he wants to do it. I have no problem. I've been in his chat before. ClayBro, same question as M. James. When do I receive your package? Cookie, yours will be overnighted. River J, parents must be proud. Oh, man. A quesadilla. Oh. Brett, you just came up with something new, man. You just came up with something new. I like it. Stock sounds confusing to me. Stocks are not confusing. It's all right. Chili, cheese, dogs, fat. Something. Restaurant business is tough. Privilege J, props for real, man. Nice job with the YouTube shorts, ClayBro. Well, thank you very much, Megalotone. I appreciate that. Clay Sadia. Yes. Clay, MC. I didn't just see a chipmunk in here, did I? I don't think so. Why does it do that? Anybody know why when I click back on stream? Oh, you know what I should? No, because I can't even do that. If I keep that down there. Oh, that works. Alright, I'll keep it down there. Big Clay with 307 watchers. Let's go, baby. Ooh, here he is. Here he is. Yes, yes, yes. There's 7 watchers. Let's go, baby. Super chat, my man. Clay, Frankie, thank you very much. Appreciate that. Cliff Chins are a sign of a performer. It signifies that he has a good sense of humor and wants a personal connection with you. He emotionally is available. Peach, not financial advice. Natalie, you're talking about the chipmunk, right? Found out what tube socks were for the other day. Interesting. Just wearing high socks, right, Lauren? Isn't that what they're for? Just calls them fuzzy nuts is in the house now. Oh, that's full tail. Alright. That's the full tail guy. Man. I'm James ClayBro. If you come in the chat tonight, late night, fix with Short the Vix, he will send you a Zoom link. I've brought this up to Short the Vix and TMI. By the way, had to correct some people saying stuff about you, M. James. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. M. James might be my biggest defender. I think I need to get like an M. James custom shirt with a cape. Non-detachable. Like I gotta sew it in there. A cape. Because he is like the bro superhero. Look at those diamond cheeks, baby. M. James, what are you talking about? What stream tonight are you talking about, though? Are you talking about Vigilantes or somebody else's? People always ask when Lambo, but never ask how Lambo. Lambo has feelings too. Yes, Kyle, the Lambo has feelings too, guys. Ask how Lambo. I would be second. M. James, awesome. The man, the myth, the legend. So you're saying I'm at T0 level? Yes, Cookie, you were at T0. Immediate for you. Short the Vix. When does he stream? When does he normally stream? Bro, why can't I find a link for the Green Astronaut in the community page? Hands down, Clothing Co. If are you on iPhone? I think if you're on iPhone, you need to do it. You need to copy and paste the link that's in the description. Oh yeah, you dude. You're looking for more. This dude, man, I'm telling you. You want to go look for more, but all you gotta do is ask. That's all you gotta do. If you ask for more, I can get you more, but you need to be willing to ask instead of just like going around and trying to find all the seeds. It's all right. It's okay, bud. It's gotta be a big house for a little. Gosh, he's back already. I will most likely be there also. Very nice, M. James. I can meet them all in the same place. Clint, what's your occupation? I'm a mentor for youth in Colorado. Manuel, they have dubbed me an adult entertainer. I hang out on YouTube and I entertain adults. There's a snake in my shorts. There's a snake in my boots. Cargos for the win. Chris, always. That's what he tells me. I just gotta ask. Yes, just ask. Rocket ClayBro, please, if you do collabs, stay true to your beliefs and convictions, even if you don't think it's in your best interest. Oh, dude. Clearly. Guys, I'll tell you this right now. Big screen. Gosh. Okay, small screen. No, this one. I'll tell you that in a second. Big screen. This dude is just hungry. It must have been raining out earlier and he didn't get any seeds, and now he's just killing it. Either that or he knows the little tail is around the corner. Big screen. Guys, very difficult to sway me. So I would be more than happy to do any collaborations. I can't say with anybody because there's some people that I don't know about. But yeah, I would be more than happy to respectfully do any collaborations, especially with people who disagree with me or I disagree with and can handle it maturely, because there's a lot of people who, you know, might have some misinformation out there, but it's still all right, and it'll all be good. I promise. It'll all be good. Even if I disagree with you, it's still all going to be good. I'm going to make sure that it's good. I'm not a dude that's going to be like, oh my gosh, you're an idiot, or anything like that. So we'll keep it good. Manuel, Colorado. All right. Oh, poor Chip Baby is hungry from the past 2 days. Lisa, he's not that hungry, but he's been fed pretty well. But it does seem like he is pretty hungry coming in as soon as I walk out. Ditto, fire. He's starving. Natalie says, get that guy some seeds, which I might need to get him some more. The 2 trips might have been... He might have been able to eat all of those in 2 trips. Will you collab with me? Dixie! Mr. Normus. Absolutely. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, cutie, now I see him. I should be doing my reports, but first things first. ClayBro and the Chip Bro. ClayBay and the Chip Bro. And yes, now he's looking for more seeds again. So, gotta go feed him. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You want some more, huh? You want some more? You're like, hey, bro, where's all the seeds at, man? Where's all the seeds at, bro? Yeah, and we determined that he does not like... Golly, he's fast. Oh my gosh. Dude does not wait. What do you think about Palantir? I don't know. I think it could be good long term, but I don't know too much about what's going on with Palantir at the moment. Chipbro OG, Chipbro Halftail, and Fat Chipbro in the house. I did see Chipbro No Tail on the screen earlier, but I've not seen Fat Bro in quite a while. Clay, has the Ape Father gotten back to you on doing a video, or am I missing something? What do you mean, Manuel? On doing a live stream or an actual video? Chipmunk's kind of chubby. Chris, this is not the... There's another one, dude. I'm telling you, there's another chipmunk out there that's... He's chubby. This is like a norm. This is the normal one. There's a smaller one with no tail, and then there's one that's just like, dude eats cookies. He don't even eat seeds. He eats cookies. Oh man, there's a cookie in the chat. Oh crap. On doing a live stream. Manuel, we did do a live stream one time. You missed it. It was about 20 minutes. We could probably do another one though. He hasn't gotten back to me after that. But we did do a live stream at noon one day. Chipbroski. We got Chipbroski. We got big old chubby bro. What is that? Did he bring a leaf in here? I don't understand what that is. ClayBro, good afternoon, everyone. Jack Stack Silver, glad to have you in here. Can you recap what's going on with AMC today? Working, missed everything. Marky, man, yeah, we kind of just... We broke out to the downside of the tight pennant to a little bit, but if you go to the bottom edge of the bigger pennant, we're still on the inside of it, and I don't know, man. We closed at 54.22. We had a little bit of downward action today, bounced back off the $52 level of support. This $52 level of support is actually, I'm on big camera, and he's gonna go for the stash. Yes, he's going for the stash. So we gotta go get we got some more food. So, AMC had a little bit of a down day today, bounced off 52. 52 is looking like an excellent level of support that everybody should keep their eye on. We do not want to fall below the $52 level of support, though. Are you on Twitter? I want to see some of these silvers. Dude, me too, man. Jack Stacks actually has some pretty good silver videos. Oh, come on, bud. It's all right. I'm telling you. If you just ask. just ask. I'll get you some more seeds. You don't have to be worried. He did. He brought a leaf in here. I don't know why. You keep bringing leaves in here. It's alright. All right, now I know how he comes back in so fast. He sits on the rock right outside the door, and then as soon as he sees me walk away, he knows it's time to come back in. Matty says, all signed up, good to go with AMC movie experience now. Yeah, buddy, perfect. Aunt Megan, I'm just happy knowing my ex and my dad will be losing money on their puts again tomorrow. Couldn't ask for anything more. Nice, Aunt Megan, nice. But you kind of want your dad to make some money, don't you? Aunt Megan, let me treat you right. Chris going all out, guys. Chris is going all out right there. We need a modcast. Yes, we do need a modcast, guys. Come on now. Can you confirm this to be true? Jack Stack Silver, Citadel told me that he was your dad. Can you confirm this to be... I can confirm that Citadel is not Jack Stack Silver's father. Let's see, 200 likes. Apes, let's do it, guys. We got 268 people in here, and I'm sure there were other people that have already left that have clicked the like button. Get as many likes on here as possible. Let YouTube know that we actually, make AMC videos, and we're not just out here goofing around, so that they can share it with other people. Do you think the FTD's T plus 21 will take into effect the next week or so? Omni Jorgo. Yeah, I do think that it's going to come into effect, but I don't think it's going to drive the demand that we need to see to rip the price higher and start a squeeze or anything like that. But I do think any increase in volume or any increase in buying demand is going to be a good thing. And he must be out. You just eat so quick, don't you? You just eat so quick. You just seeds after seeds after seeds. 285, actually, Clay. Nice, guys. Let's go to 300. Come on now. We can do three. Are you talking about viewers? Well, however many viewers we got. Let's go 300 likes. Come on. Okay, boy. It's all right. I'll get you more seeds. Never have to worry. Let's see if he goes for the walnut. All right, and then we can see if he goes for the walnut after that. Synthetic Brett. We get the Brett, and we get a synthetic Brett in the house. Uh-oh. No goofing here. Exactly, Natalie. There's no goofing around in here. Citadel is still not my dad. Buy and hold, Rocket, Jack Stack, Citadel is still not his dad. What's up, bro? What's going on, El Campo? How are you doing? Cookie and ClayBro, up in the tree. HOLD, AMC. Probably my favorite song ever. Somebody asked me that earlier. That's my favorite song now. Charles Payne thinks we got this in the bag. Omni Jorgo, I sure hope so. The best live AMC Chipmunk show around, guys. I mean, look, we're after hours on AMC right now. This is, I mean, sure, it might be exciting, but we're just moving sideways. If you're concerned, we're literally just moving sideways after hours. So, it'll be alright to watch it on a small screen. Synthetic Brett in the house. Uh-oh, we got a Synthetic Brett in here. ClayBro, dude, will you do a meetup in an Italian restaurant with the Ape Father? Kirkanos. Yeah, I could do a meetup with the Ape Father in an Italian restaurant. That would be pretty fun. I'm in Texas also. We got a lot of people in Texas. The Synthetic Brett is also from Texas. Just as long as it's not a naked Brett, right? Synthetic Bretts are okay, but naked Bretts are not. I don't know if you guys heard that or not, but I gotta go check and see what he's doing now, because... Will Nick F ever come on? I think that Nick F will come on. Nick F. Will you please the people? Will you come on the live stream one day? You could be the masked Nick F if you don't want to show your face, but let's make it happen. Oh, what do we have here? Leslie Barker! Oh my goodness! You thought I'd miss the super chat, but I never miss a super chat. Leslie Barker, thank you so much. I need to get... Oh man, I need a little stuffed animal chipmunk or something. Instead of using this stinking tablet, but... Leslie Barker, this one's for you. Oh my gosh, you're just so cute. Oh, thank you so much, Leslie. Thank you so much, Leslie. I appreciate that super chat. And one more time, Leslie, thank you so much for that super chat. Okay, one more bonus time now. Leslie, thank you so much. I appreciate that super chat. Leslie is amazing, guys. Make sure... Leslie, that is awesome. It really is. And if you think that I'm embarrassed to hug my tablet, I am absolutely not embarrassed to hug my tablet. I do need a chipmunk stuffed animal, though. So I'm going to have to keep an eye out for one of those, because if Leslie continues on sending these cute little hugging things, I need to hug something soft, not my tablet. Leslie, once again, thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate it. Clay is like a ninja, never misses a super chat. Manuel, I have been known to miss one or two, but I will always scroll back up. So guys, keep me accountable. I will never intentionally miss a super chat. Leslie, thank you. Could be a couple more days then. Crypto Rocketeer could be. I missed a lot of the chat when I was hugging my tablet there, so I'm going to try and keep back up here. Everyone keeps coming to invade our great state of Texas. Even Elon Musk lives here now. Oh, Kirkanos. A lot of people in Texas, huh? A lot of people in Texas. Clearly, 75% of Texas is now Californians. Ooh. I only date men that wear naked jorts. Aunt Megan. Pretty sure there's a lot of naked jort wearing men in here, so you're in the right place. The closest I get to naked jorts are running undies. M. James likes the running undies. Clay, you need to get a teddy bear. Crypto Rocketeer, I know. I'm from California, and I am not selling. Good, Blackjack, good. iPad and Clay, sitting on a tree. Not I prefer, Cookie and Clay. My bad. Me too, Caesar. Forget this iPad business. Clay, Blackjack, Texas, better watch out for those Cali people. I don't know. I pay market rate. Blackjack is balling, man. Blackjack is balling. That's a chipmunk for sure. Matthew. I mean, it is called the chipmunk cam. It is definitely a chipmunk for sure, man. I've seen it before. I've fed it. The best kind of people are the ones that take care of animals. Leslie, I don't have any actual pets, but I'm pretty sure this guy is becoming... Oh, that's really blurry. I don't know why it's all blurry right now. Is it blurry for you guys? I don't have any actual pets, but man, I do like this chipmunk, and he likes me. So guess what? We're friends. I'm soft. Night? Friday? I'm soft. Night? What? Help me, Cookie, help me. Brett Texas, I love the visceral reaction, 75%. Yeah, well, I'm Brett. Yeah. Running undies are the only way to go running. Some of us jog regularly. M. James, I wear running undies to sleep, man. Steve Danger is first. Steve Danger, you amaze me, man. It's incredible how often Steve Danger is first. Now, dude, I see you trying to get up into the stash. Now, why don't you just come over and ask me for more instead of trying to get them yourself? If you would just ask me, I'm more than happy to give you seeds during the after hours live stream. Where you at, bud? Come on. Yep, that's my little buddy. Where are we at now? Just did some fingerprint recon. Good deal, Chris. Good deal. What'd you find out? Wow, little bro loves you. Living free. He absolutely does. Happy birthday to somebody. I love the way ClayBro talks to Chip Bro. Classic. You gotta teach this guy, man. You gotta teach this guy what's going on. I think the key to late night ClayBro lives is the accidental nap. It's worked a treat. Lauren, make those accidental naps unaccidental naps or intentional naps, however you prefer, because you deserve a treat every day. The little unintentional nap. Because we need you here during the late night live streams. Happy birthday. Who's telling me happy birthday? Is there another Clay in the chat whose happy birthday it is? Joey! Thank you for the super sticker, Joey! And Joey, we'll get you in 2 seconds, man. We got to watch the little chipmunk here. And then I love this face, man. I love this face we got going on right here. Naked shorts are bad for sharding in. Crypto Rocketeer, they absolutely would be, man. Those are dangerous. Oh, he's scratching himself, too. Stuff your face and then scratch yourself, little buddy. Joey, thank you very much for the super sticker, man. I appreciate that. You guys that send the super stickers and the super chats, you're all amazing. Joey, once again, thank you. Hopefully that face was good enough and didn't scare everybody away. Ooh, and thank you somebody for saying that Brett, the synthetic Brett, sent a super chat. ClayBro, predictions for tomorrow AMC. Brett Passeri, a.k.a. the synthetic Brett, a.k.a. not the naked Brett. Brett, predictions for tomorrow, man. I am always predicting that AMC will go up. I am bullish on AMC. I want to watch the stock rise. However, 52, we need to watch that level of support, man. If we break down through it, we could see some further downside action. But if I have to predict, I'm predicting to the upside because I want to stay bullish, I want to stay positive, and I want to watch the stock rise. Now, with that being said, thank you for reminding me that somebody else sent one. This guy's going to try and roam the house, so I need to go make sure that he's got a couple more seeds before he decides to get into the bag himself. Also, screenshot that if you would like. And, this guy's hungry, man. Bullish, man. Well, stuff their faces and then scratch themselves. Natalie, it's crazy, isn't it? All right, bud. I see ya. Oh, you did find the stash, didn't you? Okay. And you can jump. That's good to know. All right, we are back, and he will be back soon. And Joey says, happy birthday, Clay. You gotta be talking about a different Clay. Guys, today is not my birthday. I don't know who said if it was my birthday or talking about a different Clay. But let's just pretend there's another Clay in the chat right now whose birthday it is. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Clay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Clay. Glad to have you in here in the chat. And glad it is your birthday, man. Stop feeding me. I'm getting fat. ClayBro's Chipmunk, you are not getting fat. You're okay. You're taking all the seeds back to your little house. You're not even eating them. Thanks, Rocket Stedman. Yes, thank you very much, Rocket, for whatever that was. And hopefully the Chipmunk can do the phase 2. The Chipmunk might be able to do the phase 2. We can see that if he does. Anyone's real birthday this month? Not mine. Mine was in May. Happy birthday, ClayBro. Tyson. Thank you, everybody. Mac Hor's birthday. Maybe it's Mac Hor's birthday. We can sing to him if he comes in here. Depends for emotional men are on sale at Costco. I loaded myself up. Depends for emotional men. I thought you were saying emotional men were on sale at Costco and you loaded up. Blackjack dealer, I was a little concerned there. Happy birthday, Mr. President. Oh, cookie. Oh, boy. It's M. James's birthday in 8 months. Nice. I'm going to be there. Look, he's just eating this one. He's like, forget this. We're just not going to stuff our face anymore. We're just going to eat them. Synthetic Brett, Mr. Passeri, thank you very much. He says, thanks for the prediction and happy birthday. Brett Passeri, a.k.a. Synthetic Brett, a.k.a. Not the Naked Brett. Thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate that. And thank you for the happy birthday. I will ride that all the way until my next birthday. So I appreciate the fact that it is so early. Not late. You are early, my friend. So you're on time. No, it's Cookie's birthday. Today's Cookie's birthday, guys. Happy birthday, Cookie. Your present will arrive soon. You're my favorite kind of person, too. I'm a huge watcher of people, and when I see stuff like this, that's all I need to know about the person. Leslie, I like you more and more. Thank you for being in here, and I really like the way you word things. ClayBro, emotional men is Rocket's specialty. Rocket, man, you loading up on those emotional men? And a chicken hawk swoops down and eats two. Matthew, no. Got a couple hawks around here, but they will not be getting my chipmunk. I'm so ready to have this squeeze so I can have a Corolla Lambo. Me too. I'm going to go the Forte Lambo. Putting Lambo doors on my Forte. It's mine in 2 months, 11th September. Remember the date. I will always remember September 11th for sure. Lauren, I will be reminded to tell you happy birthday. What is he even eating there? Is that part of a walnut? I didn't put that down there. What does he have? I promise I didn't put that down there. Brett. Brett, thank you very much for the super chat. Brett says, Clay, I wish you a slightly happier birthday. Well, Synthetic Brett, what do you have to say about that? Brett says he wishes me a slightly happier birthday. Brett, thank you very much for the slightly happier birthday. I thought the first one was good, guys. But there is a big difference when you get a slightly happier birthday. I'm telling you right now, there is a difference. Oh, gosh. Day Trader says, oh, man, what happened to the... I think he turned it off. I think he turned it off. Let me go turn it back on. Americans never forget September 11th. Exactly. Hey, man. I'm almost positive that chipmunk turned that off. Ooh, ooh. Brett, we got the synthetic Brett. Mr. Brett Passeri, a.k.a. the non-naked Brett, says he wishes me the happiest birthday. Guys, I'm thrilled. Today is the best birthday of my entire life. And it's not even my birthday. Brett, thank you very much for the super chat, my man. I appreciate that. And the happiest birthday ever. Clay loves Cheetos. I haven't had Cheetos in quite some time, but I don't have a problem with Cheetos. Come on now. What are the numbers? Show us more hedgies. BS keeping us in the red. Turtle, possibly, man, but we are... I really don't know what that is. I should have looked at that when I was over there. We were retesting that level of support today at $52 per share, and it held up. So hopefully we continue to hold up. What's on 9/11? Chris, Lauren's birthday, 9/11. Make sure you remember to tell her happy birthday this year. It's a birthday off, ladies and gentlemen, and Brett, Synthetic Brett, a.k.a. Non-Naked Brett, Mr. Passeri, is winning at the moment. We're going to party like it's your birthday. Joey, we are going to party like it's my birthday. Why? Because you guys have decided that it is my birthday. That's amazing. Matthew. It is amazing. I don't know what you're talking about, though. Blackjack the other night, you got me blushing. Ooh, and Rocket blushes, guys. You know it's real. Brett, Texas, says, Clay, the happiest birthday times infinity plus one. Brett, Texas, thank you very much for the happiest birthday times infinity plus one. Man, I have never, my family doesn't even care about me the way that you guys care about me. Usually they just say, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, man. Happy birthday. And then you guys are over here, happiest birthday ever times infinity plus one. Love you guys, man. This is real. This is real, Brett. Thank you very much. And, yes, I'm having a good time. Hopefully you are as well. Manuel, Clay, your chipmunk looked like it was eating a Cheeto. Dude, unless he stole a Cheeto from the neighbor, he must be out already. Unless he stole a chipmunk, or unless he stole a Cheeto from the neighbor, he did not get that from me. Happy G-Day, bruh. Live, breathe, eat. Oh, man. Megalotome, for the record, I'm also Brett. You guys thought this was a birthday off, but this is actually a Brett off. We have at least three Bretts in the chat right now, and we will not be staying on stream much longer, guys. I still got to do a video this evening, and we will be doing one more seed feed for ClayBro, and then we'll be calling it, and I got to get off here and get ready for the video, and we need to see who the real Brett is, because we've got at least three. Brett, Texas, thank you for the super chat. He says, happy birthday, Clay, from the Bretts. Brett, I think you pretty much summed it up right now. All of the Bretts in the chat, thank you very much for wishing me the happiest birthday of my entire life. I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that. I've never had so many of the same person tell me happy birthday on a non-birthday in my life, and this is incredible. No, I'm Brett. Happy birthday, Bretts. Ooh, happy birthday, Bretts. Shruti saying happy birthday to the Bretts. Rocket, I'm just saying, if I jump into this birthday battle, I win. Peach mic drop, baby. Peach mic drop. Steve Danger says, I too am Brett. Guys, the funny thing is, ClayBro is just my screen name. Brett is my real name. So I am actually all three of these Bretts on my tablet right now. Think about that. Think about that. Alright, bud, we're going to feed you one more time. And then we got to close up shop for a minute because I got to do some videos. Alright? All right, we are back. Brett's for the win today. Brett Passeri, Mr. Passeri, aka the synthetic Brett, aka the non-naked Brett. Thank you very much. The Bretts have taken the charge today. The Bretts have won the game, and the Bretts leave me breathless. Breathless. Get it? Breathless. I'm so dumb, man. The Council of Bretts has spoken, and it is a happy birthday. Yes, the Council of Bretts has spoken, and I will listen. Oh my goodness. Let it eat like a savage. Catch you later. Matthew, have a good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, my friend. I will be seeing you back in tomorrow. Who is in your house? Me, Doc Airline. Me, and I don't think ClayBro's in here at the moment. Brett is a Chippendale. Brett might be a Chippendale, man. I'm telling you. But Brett here as well. We got so many Bretts in the chat, guys. I wish I was a Brett. I'm here for it. Natalie, good. Glad you're here for it, because I'm here for it, too. Texas forever, man. Riggings. Texas forever, man. Texas is the greatest. That's a great answer, Brett. That is a great answer, Brett. I am Brett, too. Looks like a Cheeto. That was a while ago. Transparency Project, what's up, man? We are signing off right now. Guys, make sure to get your name out in the chat right now if you want a quick shout-out. Manuel, thank you for the sign-off peach. In case you were wondering, guys, what ClayBro's peach looks like, this is ClayBro's peach. Nice and fuzzy. Nice and fuzzy, and just for you. So, there you go with ClayBro's peach. I love the super sticker. And, well, thank you very much getting that peach out there. And shout out to Brett. Absolutely, guys. Shout out to all the Bretts. Happy birthday, Cookie. Now we got Cookie's birthday going on in here as well. This is the Brett Project, guys. If you mess around with that, you're going to be messed up. That's a great yeah. All right, cool. I'm down to host a Houston meetup. Transparency Projects got Houston on lock. Deuces, bro. J-Bones, glad to have you in here. Everybody, glad to have you in here. Riv J, see ya, bro. Have a good evening. Manuel Martinez, good to have you in here, but we are leaving for now. Steve Danger, happy 4th of July to everybody. Happy 4th of July to you, Steve Danger. Mr. Levitz, have a, let's see your other peach. That's the only peach I got, Mr. Levitz. M. James, Cookie is not Brett. I can confirm. Doc Airline, Thomas Cunningham Clay, tomorrow is my birthday. Lambo, I will at least sing you happy birthday on your birthday, man. Make sure to come back. I'm pretty sure it's Andrew's birthday tomorrow as well, too. I'll sing you happy birthday if you remind me. Noob is creative. Ain't Brettin' around here. Nobody is. Natalie, have a good evening. Shruti, have a wonderful evening and happy birthday to everybody. Yes, Crypto Rocketeer is called Brett. Transparency is called Brett. Yes, they are all Bretts. Don't even Brett about it. Don't even Brett about it, guys. It's going to be fine. Manuel Martinez, have a good evening. Hands Down Clothing Co. I will see you some other time. Michael, have a good evening. Joe Fischel, I'll be out here in a second. Have a good evening. 925 Reviews. Have a good night. Aunt Megan, Shruti, Cookie, Leslie, Brett, Mr. Levitz, and Manuel. Again, have a good night. And you guys will be back before the 4th of July comes in. I wish you happy 4th of July. On the 4th of July, glowing newness. You take care as well. M. James, until the next Brett. Yeah, we're signing off with that one today. I like it, M. James. You're a quick one. We're going to use that one. So, guys, if you want to say it with me when we say it, it's until the next Brett. All right? Remember that, because we're going to come up in a second here. All right, guys, now, Adrian says, thoughts on CMXRF? I have no thoughts on that, but we are leaving at the moment, man. So if you want to ask me again tomorrow, we can get into it. I missed a Brett. Darn it, I always miss a Brett, man. I'm telling you I always miss a Brett. Now, guys, good night to all of the Bretts out there. Moon tomorrow. Let's see it, Brett. Mr. Passeri. Guys, if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next Brett, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.